Introducing a small, smart, and compact all-arounder for daily DIY projects. The package includes the Colop E Mark Create, one rechargeable battery, one docking station, one ink cartridge, one charger, and one quick setup guide. Once unpacked, the E Mark Create is ready for its setup. First, simply remove the upper lid and all visible film. Then push the lower part of the device slightly forward and press it down. Once this is done, the supplied cartridge can be inserted at the top. It audibly locks into place. Click! And last but not least, insert the battery in the upper part of the E Mark Create and close it with its cover. Download the app quickly so that nothing stands in the way of your DIY project. The app is free and available for Android or iOS devices in the Google Play or App Store. Once the app is downloaded, the E Mark Create only needs to be switched on. Simply switch the slider on the bottom from off to on. The E Mark creates its own Wi-Fi hotspot, so your phone or tablet connects very easily. Your first print shows your SSID and password. Now your E Mark Create can be configured quickly and easily. If the connection is successful with the E Mark hotspot, it lights up in green-blue and a Wi-Fi symbol appears in the app. Almost done. The really exciting step is still to come. The first print. In the app, you can choose from various templates. By the way, all ready-made motifs can be personalized. Color, font, and size can be adjusted very quickly. Even your own creations can be uploaded from your mobile device's photo gallery as JPEG or PNG. Ready to print? Then just save and transfer it with one click on the E Mark icon. The data transfer lets the E Mark glow and a long beep sounds when the transfer is successful. Ready to go? Whether textile, paper, wood, cork, or many more, perfect for various print surfaces. If the E Mark Create lights up green, it is ready for the DIY project. Simply place it on the printable and get started. The E Mark Create also recognizes the direction of movement, so you can print from left to right or from right to left. If you reach the final position, a signal tone always sounds. 2 or 3 lines needed, this little wonder can handle it without any problems. Just pull the E Mark down, wait for the signal tone, and move it again in the desired direction. Great! Another DIY project that is worth seeing. Pro tip: the E Mark Create feels most comfortable in its docking station after the end of each printing process. So simple, so brilliant. With our E Mark Create, the DIY world becomes even more colorful and innovative. And there are also many more E Mark Create accessories to discover.